In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious cheese and bacon biscuit breakfast muffin. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need biscuits, half a cup of bacon, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, 1 egg, and sesame seeds. We're going to start by rolling out a biscuit until it's flat. Add a layer of cheese, and a layer of bacon. Finally, we're going to add a little bit more cheese on top of the bacon. Bring together all the sides of the puff pastry to create a smooth ball. Spray a cooking pan with cooking oil. We're going to add each of our biscuit rolls into each of the slots in the baking pan. Beat the egg until it's smooth. We're going to brush the egg mixture onto each of the biscuits. Sprinkle the tops with sesame seeds. Bake this in the oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Our cheese and bacon biscuit breakfast muffin is complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.